Leningrad, late July in the summer of '91, and I was looking for my class at LGU. Standing there near Pushkin Square, acting like you didn't care, and that was the first time that I saw you. As we stood in line at 6 a.m. for a glass of beer before the day begins, 'cause there ain't no use in going there till you're stoned. What's the point in working hard when they can't meet your ration card, with the Germans buying up all you never owned? And I wondered what you thought of us, waiting for our private bus and drinking like Vanichka just to play. Do we understand just what it means to live on cigarettes and jeans just because we lined up for a day? 'Cause it was nothing big for me to hang with the Foxoshiki and try to make the tourists overpay. This was hard to reconcile, how $8 made the day worthwhile, but Vitaly said, hey man, that's just a way. Is it wrong to wanna be free? No, it's not wrong, but it's not everything. Take a look around, think about what you're leaving. Saw you at a party then, I really don't remember when, but it might have been the 4th day of July. Didn't hear you say your name, but we were playing drinking games while the moon kept skimming across the sky. And later on the balcony, man, my life's been a fantasy, 'cause I was trying to think of my next joke. And that she said I didn't hear, but she leaned in to bite my ear, and then she started kissing my neck. She was 22, I was 21, and I guess we were just having fun. She was on her way out anyway. So other than waking up in a flat somewhere near Chornyarechka, it was just like any other day. And I finished up that summer tour, hitting on this other grad school girl who came home just before the coup. And I did my best to keep in touch, but neither of us wrote that much except to say those things those letters do. Is it wrong to wanna be free? No, it's not wrong, but it's not everything. Take a look around, think about what you're leaving. London, June of '92, I was on my way back to LGU, and she was living in a flat on Hackney Lane. We stopped and spent a couple days with this guy. She had paid £800 for a right to legally remain. Well, he was just a human waste, but his passport's from a better place, and she did the thing she thought would set her free. And as long as he was getting paid and sometimes had a place to stay, well, he didn't even seem to mind that she was with me. I left her there feeling bad and wandered back to Leningrad, wondering how she might get along. And then I went a couple years, it seemed like she had disappeared, or maybe I'd done something wrong. And I guess we both just did our best. She divorced and headed west, and I heard she married an architect. But sometimes I sit and dream about the way things might have seemed and how we might have missed an intersect. Is it wrong to wanna be free? No, it's not wrong, but it's not everything. Take a look around, think about what you're leaving. Saw her just the other day on a cable car at Hyden Bay, carrying a bag from Kenneth Cole. She acted like she didn't see, or maybe she's forgotten me. Anyway, I just watched her go. And it's funny all the time I spent worried about her government and how it might affect your right to choose. But I guess that I don't understand it either way. You weren't mine, and either way you weren't mine to lose. And it's not like we were deep in love, although maybe just because I thought she would be better off in my democracy. And I wonder if she ever thinks about the way we used to drink and all the secret dreams she left behind. Or if her life is better off over here like Gorbachev, just because we got shorter lines. Do you wonder about the things I mean, surrounding you with everything? I mean, do you really even care about being free? Or was it all a drinking game, just a way to make her say my name? Is it always really about me? Well, I guess it's part of sitting us, just waiting for this fall to bust and wondering about the funny way things go. Maybe you would have tried to bend if you knew now what you knew then, but that defies that you now know what you know. And even there's something strange, cause if I get my days to change, and sometimes I miss that waiting for a class and all the work this greed requires. Even now it makes me tired. Wish I could go back to chasing ass, cause even though it seemed hard then, I wish we were back again, cause that was back when times were fun. And maybe the truth of it is, among the happy hypocrites, freedom's mostly thinking that you're young. Is it wrong to wanna be free? No, it's not wrong, but it's not everything. Think about what you're leaving. Too many fucking words in that song.